Which of the following are GP? If they are in GP, write next three terms. First one, 4, 8, 16 and so on. Second one, 5, 55, 555 and so on. Solution. First one, given terms 4, 8, 16 and so on. Here we can observe that each term is non-zero term. So A2 by A1 is equal to 8 by 4, that is equal to 2. A3 by A2 is equal to 16 by 8, that is equal to 2. That implies A2 by A1 is equal to A3 by A2. Therefore, the given terms are in GP and the common ratio R is equal to 2. Therefore, next three terms will be 16 into 2, that is equal to 32. 32 into 2, that is equal to 64. 64 into 2, that is equal to 128. Let us solve the second one. 5, 55, 555 and so on. Here each term is non-zero term. So A2 by A1 is equal to 55 by 5, that is equal to 11. A3 by A2 is equal to 555 by 55, that is equal to 111 by 11, which implies A2 by A1 is not equal to A3 by A2. Therefore, the given terms are not in GP.